So just in the bathroom and laundry area of this van. This one's fitted with a washing machine, tucked away in the corner here. It's a Camec washing machine. They only run on 240 volts, not 12 volt. And so you need to have your inverter running or be hooked up to your mains power at a caravan park. This one uses 47 litres of water per wash, so it is actually quite heavy. So if you're off grid and water is, you've got to be pretty precious with it, it's not ideal to be doing full loads of washing. Just on the wall here, this is our water heater. We turn it on, it's on at the moment, we turn it on and we can set the temperature with these arrows and away it goes. Moving here to our ensuite and shower. You've got to make sure our pump is on before you have a shower. You've got some warm water. There's a hatch up the top there, which is exactly the same as this one. I'll just show you how to use that. So there's a light on it and a fan, and it's got a cover. So that's in the closed position, which we want to be for transit. When we get to camp, we want to use it. We open that hatch up, and it's got a two-way switch fan on it. So if you press it one way, it'll take the steam or the odours and that out of the bathroom and shower area. Or if you want a bit of fresh air in, you switch it the other way and it brings air down into the caravan. Make sure when we finish using that and we're about to drive off, we close that. And also we want to make sure our shower's latched. At the moment, it's open and we just want to turn that lever to the lock position so the door can't open.